Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faisal bin Muhammad Hanafi and my matrix number is H23A1685, and today I will explain about our product. As we can see nowadays, university level students are certainly busy with their studies and they are busy with schedules. Therefore, our group has got the idea to create our product, which is Hottie vending machine. The main idea of this project is to build a vending machine that can easily and quickly give customer a variety of fast food and goods on credit. Our main target buyer are the student, because we know that sometimes they don't have time to go to the store because of the lack of time due to studying. For that, we have created our product according to the convenience of the user with improvement by adding a microwave oven inside our Hottie vending machine, so that it is easy for customer to eat like they buy in the restaurant. With the addition of a microwave oven, the food purchase will be heated through an automatic process and the food can be eaten immediately. It is very easy and it tastes very delicious. It is very easy to use and very quick to process because of the heating process. Will our Hottie vending machine will help the student? Yes, our product is very helpful and very suitable for students. We also use ready-to-eat packaging. Our Hottie vending machine can fill up to 250 boxes of fast food and has a user-friendly interface and features a touchscreen and buttons to make food choice. We will also place our Hottie vending machine in the college and student residence so that they can easily buy it whenever they want without the need for human interaction in the morning, evening, or night, which will be available 24 hours. In our Hottie vending machine, we have included various types of food in our machine according to people's taste, such as spaghetti, meatballs, lasagna, burgers, macaroni and cheese, tteokbokki, cottage pie, creamy mushroom and instant noodle. As for payment, we have created our product that will accept money in cash, debit card, student university card, and also mobile payment with QR code. The price of the food we put is also very reasonable and can save the cost of expenses, especially for the student. We got the idea to innovate this vending machine with a microwave oven through a movie from Japan. As we know, Japan is ahead of other countries in terms of vending machine technology around the world. We also got this idea through our survey of vending machine available in Malaysia, such as snack vending machine and drink vending machine. Through this, we came up with this idea to create our own product, the Hottie vending machine.
Advantage of vending machine: 1. Operate 24 hours a day and can be purchased at any time without worrying about vending machine being closed and not being able to buy food. 2. Can save time by not having to wait a long time to cook and not having to bother to cook. 3. The price is also reasonable, which is cheap and everyone can afford it. 4. A variety of food can be found that you want, just need to pay and will get food. 5. Facility for all age group, for example, including children, teenager, and elder can get food sold by vending machine. 6. Flexibility. For example, user can satisfy craving or overcome hunger without depending on the set meal time. 7. Privacy is allowing user to make purchase without the need for interaction with sales staff, offering a personal experience. 8. Convenience. For example, allow quick and easy access to snack and drink without the need for a traditional store. 9. Can be eaten when an emergency required food, when unable to find nearby shop. Lack of vending machine. 1. Not long lasting. For example, the food in the vending machine is not long lasting and will cause a lot of loss and harm to consumer who want to buy, just wasting money. 2. Outdated inventory. For example, lack of popular or fresh item, resulting in reduced customer satisfaction. 3. Out of stock. For example, empty slot or insufficient quantity of popular item, reducing customer choice. 4. Inadequate cooling or heating. For example, temperature control problem affect the quality of perishable goods. 5. Limited payment option. For example, machine do not accept modern payment method, limited customer convenience. 7. Neglect of maintenance. For example, dirty or damaged machine, expired product label, and overall poor hygiene. 8. Inaccurate pricing. For example, incorrect price information leading to customer dissatisfaction. 9. Security concern. For example, risk of theft or unauthorized access.
Next, I will explain to you how to use the Hottie vending machine and microwave station. I know that not everyone know how to use it. Therefore, the method or step I given can avoid damage to the machine. First step is select your item. So, customer have to look at the option display on the vending machine interface and use the keypad or touch screen the item you want. Next is a make payment. Because the customer is mostly student and in this day, technology is growing. So, we provide 3 payment methods. So, the customer can pay the bill by use the debit card, student card, and cash. This method have to take seriously is to facilitate the customer's affairs. Number 3 is confirmation. Once you have paid, the vending machine will confirm your selection. Number 4, collect your item. The vending machine will dispense your chosen item. Make sure to receive and take it before the machine's red river windows close. Number 5, reheat the item. You can reheat the instant food such as lasagna, spaghetti, meatball, and macaroni in microwave oven that have been prepared. And last step is receipt. The Hottie vending machine offer receipt. If you want, there usually an option to print it after receive your item.
conclusion, this vending machine have advantage and disadvantage. Many benefit through the convenience and capabilities of the machine, and the shortcoming need to be improved so that the food in the vending machine does not spoil easily. Okay, that's all. Thank you.